Okay, look at mommy. Mommy's gonna put the candy here, okay? But you can't eat it.
Eat it.
Okay, no, you can't. You have to wait until mommy comes back.
Okay.
Okay?
Mom?
No, don't eat it. Wait until mommy comes back, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. No eating. I just said wait until mommy comes back. Listen, when mommy comes back in here, you can eat it, okay? I'll be right back. Don't eat it, Nova. I'll be back. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Bathroom, okay? Don't eat it until mommy comes back, okay? When mommy comes back, you can eat it, okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be right back. Don't eat it.
Eat it.
Don't eat it.
Eat it.
What are you doing? You didn't eat it?
Yeah.
Good job. High five. Don't look at it. Don't touch it. Don't eat it. You want candy?
No.
Do you want candy? Okay,
No.
wait. Auntie's gonna come back. Don't eat it, okay?
I'm watching them. How can I watch them? Stop. Whoa, what's that?
Mommy's gonna give you these, but you can't eat them yet, okay? So mommy said. Alright. Don't touch them yet, okay? Oh, bless you. Okay, bless you. Don't. Bless you. Don't touch them yet. You gotta wait until mommy says you can have them, okay? Okay. Not yet. Not yet.
Can't eat them till we come back, okay? I know, but hang on 1 second till we come back, okay? Okay. Don't eat them till we come back. Okay, buddy, did you wait?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have them. Wow.
Johan, look. Put it here, okay? No, no se toca. Don't touch till I come back, okay? Johan, I go there when I come back, okay? No se toca. No se toca. When I come back, okay? Don't touch. No se toca. Good job. Yay. Go ahead. Here you go. Qué rico. Qué rico.
Touch it till I get back. I'll be right back, okay? Come on to me. Listen. We'll be right back. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I'll be right back. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay. Okay, just don't touch it. I'll be right back. What happened? Hey, did you eat it? Okay.
Sweeties, but just wait for mommy. I'm gonna come back, okay? Just wait right there. 1 minute.
Ты пока не трогай, я сейчас приду, хорошо? Вместе покушаем, ладно? Не кушай пока. Сейчас я накидаю.
Так, девочки, готовы?
Что случилось?
Молодец.
Хочешь покушать, Лин? Да? Ладно, возьми одну.
Не-не-не. И последний конкурс.
Конкурс на все.
Ну, колдуй, Настя.
Вкусно? Да?
Тарин, тихо обхра. Садись, сожженщи. На нахзу червивный иссохн. Нельзя кушать. Нельзя. Все.
Stop crying. Look. Wait a minute. Wait, leave him right there. Leave him right there, big girl. Leave him right there. No, leave him right there. Leave him right there, Pumpkin. Leave him right there. Okay? Leave him right there. Okay, wait. Okay, wait till I get back, okay? Okay. Did you do it?
Belly, go get mommy a piece of brownie.
Here, go get mommy. Here's a brownie for mommy. Give mommy brownie. Give mommy brownie. Give mommy brownie. Mom?
Yes.
Oh, now you want to get it to mommy.
Okay, do you want some candy? Okay, you have to leave it right here. Don't touch it. Okay? You can have some when mommy comes back, okay? Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it. You have to leave it there. I'll be back, okay? Don't touch it. Don't touch it, Maya. I'll be back, okay? You can have some when I come back. Okay?
Mommy.
Did you eat any, Maya? Do you want some? You can have some. You can have one. You can eat it. Good job.
Control?
Yes, mommy.
What are you doing?
Nothing like you.
Okay, so I have the sweets for you. Don't eat it, don't touch it. I'll be right back, okay? Good girl, so I'm back now. You can have it, okay?
Right, Theo, I'm just going upstairs. You can have the sweets when I get back. If you wait for me 1 minute and you can have them, okay? Don't touch it. Mummy's going to be back in 1 minute. Wait for Mummy. Wait for Mummy. Ava, come here. Wait for Mummy, Theo. Come here, children.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Did you wait for Mummy?
Yeah.
Good boy.
All right, Kaden, you see these? Your little veggie melts? You can have them, okay? But Mama's gonna use the bathroom first. Wait. Mama's gonna use the bathroom first, okay? Wait until I come back to have them, okay? I'll be really quick, okay? When I come back, you can have them. Kaden, no. Wait until I come back. All right? I'll wait until I come back. I'll be right back. Alright, you can have one. Alright, you can have one. But when I come back, you can have the rest, okay? Wait until I come back. Okay? No. Wait until I come back. I'll be back, okay? Wait. Hey! I said wait!
Ты пока не пробуешь. Я пойду в туалетик, приду и разрешу тебе все кушать, хорошо? Но пока я не прихожу, ничего не трогай, ты поняла? Все, жди маму, я сейчас приду. Что, ты ждала маму?
Конечно, я кусала.
Не кушала?
От тебя.
Ждала, хорошо.
Это ты мне предлагаешь?
Конечно, на, привет.
Спасибо, я тебя люблю.
Вот еще один привет.
Спасибо, мне очень приятно.
Don't eat it, okay? Don't eat it. Don't eat it, Mama. Okay? You're not gonna eat it? Me and Mommy are gonna go do pee-pee and then we're gonna come back. Don't eat it, okay?
Wait, did you eat
You didn't eat it? Did you eat it? No? Good job, Mama!
You can eat it,
You
Mama.
can eat it now.
You can eat it.
Don't touch. Okay? Don't touch till Mummy gets back. Good girl. You good? Who's a good girl?
Yes.
Yeah, you
mommy's right here. Wait and wait. Look, wait. Mommy's gonna go grab something. Wait till I come back, okay? And then you can eat. Did you wait? You didn't eat any yet? You can eat. Go ahead. You can eat.
All right, don't touch yet. Don't eat yet. Don't touch. Don't eat yet. Not when I come back, you can, okay? Don't touch. I'll be right back.
Hey.
Hey, did you eat one? Andrew, you was not supposed to touch it. Andrew, you can eat it.
Ayız, ben bir banyoya gidip geleceğim. Ben gelmeden bunlara dokunmuyorsun, tamam mı? Ben gelince yiyeceğiz.
Подожди, пока не кушай, я сейчас приду. Я сейчас приду, не кушай, ладно? Сейчас приду, подожди маму.
Мама. Мама. Мама.
Ты сейчас приду.
Да.
Не кушаешь?
Ням-ням-ням.
Mama's coming just now. Okay, you gonna wait for me?
Yeah.
Don't touch it. China, no, don't touch it.
Don't touch it. It's dusty. Let's put it back. Come put it back. It's gone.
Did you touch it? No? Who touched it? Liam?
Yeah.
Oh, Liam. That's okay. You can eat it now. Good girl. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
Jordan, this is for you, okay?
Okay.
But don't touch it.
Okay.
Don't eat it.
Okay.
Be back, okay?
Okay.
Hey, baby, did you eat it?
Let me see.
Don't eat it until I get back, okay?
Okay. Okay. Don't eat that room. Okay, I won't. Let's turn the water wheel. Don't eat that. Don't eat it, puppy. this one when Mommy tells me to. You can have this one when Mommy tells you to. Then eat. No. No, eat down.
Girls,
Hi.
how did it go?
Good. Great job. Now you guys can have a cookie, okay?
Mommy, puts this here, okay? Wait for me. Okay?
Okay.
Don't eat anything till I come back, okay? Wait for me.
Okay.
Okay, czekaj mam, okay?
Okay.
Ne smiješ ručat dok mama se ne vrati, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Wait for me. Don't eat yet. Mommy, go bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Are you eating yet?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to. That's for you, but don't eat it yet, okay?
Okay. Okay. Oh. Don't eat the candy. Okay. And not eat not the candies. Eat off the candy. No.
Did you eat some?
You almost came.
I scared you.
Yeah.
You're about to eat some. Go ahead.
Mommy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Don't kick that. Don't kick the table.
Okay, boy.
Okay, so look. I'm gonna put the candy right there, but you cannot eat it, Mama, until I go get the baby. Wait, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Don't eat it yet. Don't eat it yet. Okay, wait. Wait till I come back, okay? Wait. You ate it? Why'd you eat it? No. You weren't supposed to eat it.
Right.
Okay. Don't eat them until I come back. I'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be right back, okay? Don't eat them until I come back. Hold on.
Yummy. Second.
¿Tú lo vas a comer? ¿Sí o no? No. Lo voy a poner ahí, mírame. No lo puedes comer hasta que yo llegue. Trato hecho. Goyo. No puede comerlo hasta que yo te traiga la sorpresa. ¿Está bien?
Sí.
Trato hecho.
Sí.
Ya vengo. No lo coma.
I will get you a full one. We'll go over here and we'll fill it up.
Full one.
All right, Jack, don't eat them until we come back, okay?
No,
Okay, Jack?
Okay. Guys, I can't wait any longer.
Hold on, Jack.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you 3 of them, but wait, you have to wait till mommy comes back, okay? I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
So let me go to the bathroom, and then you can have it, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna wait for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for me, and then you can have 3, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait for me.
Okay. Patience, 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 patience.
Did you win?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have 3.
Ладно.
Подожди, я схожу в ванную и приду, не ешь пока. Дождись меня, хорошо?
Хорошо.
Дождешься, не трогать.
Ну, хорошо.
Трогать нельзя.
Хорошо.
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 You want some candy, baby? Yeah? Okay. So Dad's gonna put the candy right here, okay? But you can't eat any until I get back. I have to go do something really quick, okay? Okay. So keep it right here, and then I'm gonna go, but don't eat any yet, okay? Until I get back, okay? So don't eat any. Let me come back, okay? Be right back. All right. Don't eat any. Coming back. Did you eat any? No, you didn't? Okay, good job. Good girl. You're so smart. I love you. Thank you for listening, okay? Give me a kiss. Besito. Besito.
Hold on, okay, boo-boo? We'll be right back. Okay? You gonna wait? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Только их не кушай. Я сейчас приду и будем все вместе кушать, хорошо? Жди маму, ладно? Жди маму. Сейчас я приду.
Here you go, some ice for you, but you have to wait. Wait, when mama will come, then you have to eat, okay? Wait, when mama will come, then you have to eat. Else I'll not give you. Wait, okay? I'm coming. Wait 2 minutes. अच्छा मजे से आइस ये क्यों खाई आपने मम्मा का वेट नहीं किया
Mama.
Okay, guys, I want to give you guys treats because you've been so good. Some M&Ms.
M&M.
Okay? But don't touch it till I get back.
Okay.
Don't eat it till I get back.
Okay. Yummy. Why? Because don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No. Because it's making me hungry in my tummy. No, don't eat it. Or else mommy will be sad. Okay. Baby,
You're not eating them.
Okay. Don't eat them before mommy goes. No. Don't eat them. No. Yes.
Okay, you can eat them now. You can eat them now.
Yippee.
Wait. Okay. Wait, look. I'm gonna be right back. Wait for daddy, okay? Okay? Look at me. Wait for daddy, okay? Okay, stay right here. I'll be right back. Wait, you gotta wait for daddy. Eat it, wait for daddy to eat it. Okay?
Yummy.
Nothing you've shown us is like good evidence of anything. In fact, I see this as pretty sloppy. This is why I'm messaging you. I need your help. I have a ring. I need to know. All right. We have to investigate.
Okay, mommy. What are you doing? Here. Wait. Look at me. Look at me. You can't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Look at me. You can't touch it. Wait until I come back and then you can eat it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait. Don't touch it yet, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Cheese. Okay. I'll try to eat it. Okay. Papa, say cheese.
You didn't eat
Don't
it?
touch it. Don't touch.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can eat it, okay? I'm gonna put the candy right here, but you have to wait until I come back, okay? Wait, okay? Don't eat it, okay? You have to wait for mommy, okay? I'll be back. Wow, good job. You did.
Wait, don't touch it till I get back, okay?
You gotta wait. You hot? I'm gonna try. You not hot? Okay, I'm gonna try to come back quick, okay? You really want that? They look so good, don't they? Don't touch it yet. Wait till I come back. Wait, yeah, don't touch that.
I didn't touch it, Mommy.
You did? Okay.
Good. Here, come here. Sit right here. All right, hold on. Hold on 1 minute, okay? All right, don't eat them yet, okay? Hold on. Mommy, be right back. Wait, don't eat them. Hold on.
So, we meet again, Buzz Lightyear, for the last time. Not today, sir.
Good job! Okay, Tree. You see your fruit snacks? Okay, wait. Don't eat them yet. Just wait 1 minute, okay? Mommy's gonna go get you. I'm gonna go get you a fork. So don't eat them, okay? Mommy go get you a fork. And then when I come back, then you eat them, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get you a fork. I'm getting you a fork. Just wait.
No.
Oh, did you wait? Good girl. Here you go. You can eat them. Oh.
All right, Paul. I bought you some fruit snacks from the store. You want some?
I'm good.
Okay. All right. You gotta wait until I get back from the bathroom, okay? How you gonna eat it and you knock my camera over?
Okay? Huh? Wait till I come back.
Okay? Don't eat them yet, okay? I'll be right back. Okay? I'll be right back. Oh, what happened? Good job. Pray. Say grace. Say grace. Say grace. God is good. God is great. Let us thank you for our food. For our hands we must be fed. Thank you for our daily bread. Amen. Good job. You can have it now. She did good.
She's about to eat it.
I over there to get out. Video. Sure. Yeah.
Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Good girl. Good girl. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I'm coming back, okay? I'll be right back. But don't touch it, okay?
Mommy. Mommy. Auntie eats you on my food.
I told you not to touch it. Okay. This is your snack. But don't eat it until mommy comes back, okay? Just wait. Don't eat it. Okay, be right back.
Oh my gosh. I didn't eat it.
Did you not eat it? Oh, good girl. You can eat it now.
Yay.
Some fruit snacks? Some fruit snacks? Oh. Look, fruit snack. Hold on. Hey, so wait. I'm gonna be right back, okay? Don't touch it. Okay? Don't touch it. Be right back. You want one? Go ahead, get you one. Yeah. Yeah.
Знаете, пока кушать нельзя. Поняла?
Liana, do you want some fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put them in here, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. You have to wait until I come back. Don't eat them. Okay? Wait for me. I'm gonna go wash my hands, okay?
Okay.
Okay, don't eat them. I'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Nana. Look at me, Dad. Look. There's Daddy. That's the donor. Okay, goodbye. Lovely day. so nice.
Okay, I'm coming. Did you eat any candy?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Yeah, you did a good job. High five. You can have one now.
Okay.